Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Ministry of Coal Agenda for 2021-22, Adani Group on renewable mission mode, power cost to remain high owing to the coal prices. Coming to the details. The Ministry of Coal has finalized an agenda document for the year 2021-22, which broadly focuses on the four areas. The agenda has been designed along with the monitoring and reviewing framework, which is to be reviewed frequently by Coal Secretary for mid-course directions and alignments. The areas covered step up upon the major reforms done in the last few years and also give direction for covering and meeting the existing and the emerging challenges of the coal sector and aligns itself well within the emerging technologies and diversification thrust of the coal sector. The agenda covers the entire gamut of areas for steering the coal sector into new technologies while focusing on core competency of ensuring set production targets including the 1 billion ton by 2024. Coal sector reforms include projects for the financial year 2021-22, JERIA Master Plan, regulatory reforms exploration, coal beneficiation, safety in coal mines, coking coal strategy, marketing reforms, coal pricing reforms, reforms in land acquisition, solar power projects, coal dispatch and stocking, coal export in neighboring countries, and strategy to boost coal production and mines allocated through auction. Coal transition and sustainability covers the areas of social aspects of coal transition, monetization of decoaled land, use of artificial intelligence in data mining, drones, and sustainability. Institution building segment of above agenda contains reforms in coal controller organization, coal mines provident fund organization, upgrading coal testing lab, and staffing quality and training issues. The futuristic agenda include coal to chemical, syngas, hydrogen gas, liquid fuels, chemicals and fertilizers. Coal India Limited diversify its business and explore prospects in sunrise industries, electric charging ports, electric vehicles, etc. Acquisition and mergers of similar or new business after due diligence, media campaign, and close monitoring of CSR activities. Adani Group will be investing over $20 billion in the renewable energy space over the next decade. Adani's overall organic and inorganic investments across the entire energy value chain will range between $50 to $70 billion. This will include investments with potential partners for electrolyzer manufacturing, backward integration to secure the supply chain for our solar and wind generation business, and artificial intelligence based industrial cloud platforms. Adani's renewable energy portfolio has reached the initial target of 20 gigawatt of a full 4 years ahead of the schedule. Adani Group completed $3.5 billion acquisition of SB Energy India that has 5 gigawatt renewable assets across 4 states in India through its special purpose vehicles. Adani Group is tripling its solar power generation capacity over the next 4 years. According to India Ratings and Research, short-term power prices are likely to remain elevated in the near term on account of continued increase in imported coal prices. The speedy recovery in power demand post second wave of COVID-19 infections, coupled with a lower than adequate domestic coal production, led to a reduction in coal inventory levels at various power plants. Large part of increase in power generation would continue to be met through coal-based plants, although coal output is not increasing to the desired level. Coal production by Coal India increased marginally to 209.2 million tons in April-August period of the ongoing financial year as compared to 195 million tons in the year ago period. In the view of low inventory stocks at power plants, a part of increased energy demand will have to be met through imported coal. In light of expected high imported coal prices, the short-term power prices in India are likely to remain elevated. Additional news today. Singareni collieries to increase coal production to supply coal to neighboring states Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. CEAT invests 60 lakh rupees to acquire 26% stake in Cleanwind Energy Limited. Delhi Metro invites bids for 2 megawatt of rooftop solar systems. Bid submission date is 16 November 2021. Senvion India bags order to supply wind turbines for JSW Energy's 591 megawatt project. Price discovered at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 257.09 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 14 rupees 61 paisa per unit, price discovered during day 10 rupees 61 paisa per unit, price discovered during evening 17 rupees 27 paisa per unit, price discovered round the clock 13 rupees 95 paisa per unit, weighted average price is 14 rupees 3 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.